Namaskar, মই দীপলিনা ডেকা মই আহি আছোঁ to attend the Great Poba Marathon Race 2019 on the occasion of World Environment Day. So let's come and celebrate Poba. Poba being the one and only rainforest of Dhemaji. আৰু Pobar safety উপলক্ষে এটা বিশেষ ৰেলী অৰ্গেনাইজ কৰা হৈছে The Great Poba Marathon Race 2019. গতিকে এই ভিডিঅ'টোৰ জৰিয়তে মই সকলোকে আমন্ত্ৰণ জনাইছোঁ সকলোৱে আহিব আমি লগ পাম গতিকে সকলোকে আমন্ত্ৰণ জনাইছোঁ সকলোৱে আহক একেলগে ফূৰ্তি কৰিম একেলগে চেলিব্ৰেট কৰিম থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ ধন্যবাদ
Hi friends, I am Shruti Kashyap from the band Dastur. We will be performing at the Great Poba Marathon Race 2019 at Jonai on 5th June for the occasion of World Environment Day. Poba is the only rainforest of Dhemaji with rich biodiversity. We really need its conservation and proper protection for good environment. So join us and hope to see you guys there. Thank you so much.
Poba Reserve Forest is situated in Jonai subdivision of Dhemaji district of Assam. The Poba Reserve Forest covers an area of 10,221 hectares. Poba is one of the richest rainforests of northeast India. In terms of flora and fauna found in it. And can be very well termed as a biodiversity hotspot. The forest receives annual rainfall of 3600 mm to 4000 mm. Highest temperature record is 36 degrees centigrade in summer and lowest 7 degrees centigrade in winter. Towards north are the foothills of the Himalayan range in Arunachal Pradesh. Towards east and south are the Siang, Dibang and Luhit River. Poba Rainforest is an important elephant corridor linking the foothills of Arunachal Pradesh and Dibru-Soikwa Natural Park. Poba Forest is under serious threat from anthropogenic activities and natural calamities, particularly erosion by the Siang River. If the present trend of deforestation and erosion continues, urgent and effective conservation measures need to be initiated to save the rainforest. So to preserve this forest, Jonai Subdivision Students Union ASU is demanding to declare this forest as National Wildlife Sanctuary. So on 5th of June, ASU is organizing the Great Poba Marathon Race 2019. If you would like to participate, contact the given numbers. Well, that being said, thanks for watching this video. This is Biswajit Daimary signing off.